Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video I'm going to show you a super simple way to calculate a 45% discount using your calculator. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with an example. Suppose you have an item that costs $1,357 and you want to find out what the final price will be after applying a 45% discount. Here's how you do it in just 3 easy steps. Enter the original price, which is $1,357, into your calculator, press the multiply button, and multiply by 55. Now, you might be wondering, why do we multiply by 55? Let's break it down. When we talk about percentages, the total is always 100%. A 45% discount means you are paying 45% less than the original price. So, if you take 45% away from 100%, you are left with 55%. In other words, paying 55% of the original price means you are saving 45%. So, by multiplying the original price by 55, then using the percentage button, you're effectively calculating a 55% off the original price, which gives you the final amount after the discount. So finally, let's press that percentage button, and voila, the final amount after a 45% off is $746.35. Let's do one more example to make sure we've got it. Imagine you have an item that is priced at $2,450. So let's enter that into our calculator, 2,450. Press the multiply button and multiply by 55. Press the percentage button, and after a 45% off, the final price comes out to be $1,347.50. This quick method saves you time and ensures accuracy. And there you have it, folks, a fast and easy way to calculate 45% off a price using a calculator. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.